My recent election is a mandate to completely and totally reverse a horrible betrayal and all of these many betrayals that have taken place, and to give the people back their faith, their wealth, their democracy, and indeed their freedom. From this moment on, America's decline is over. Our liberties and our nation's glorious destiny will no longer be denied, and we will immediately restore the integrity, competency, and loyalty of America's government.
Thank you for tuning in to First News Broadcast as we witnessed history in the making with the inauguration of Donald J. Trump as President of the United States. Stay with us for continued coverage and expert analysis of this pivotal chapter in American history. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest news and updates. Until next time, stay informed and take care.